So I'm going to be giving a tip on how to make apps go full screen on the Galaxy S22. Now, this is a very frustrating problem to have, especially if you're just getting a new Samsung phone in. And I just loaded up a game, and you can see at the top of it, they have a little bit of a cutoff on the screen. Now, there is a pretty simple way to fix this, and it's going to happen with a lot of different games or even apps that you might try using, just out the gate. But in order to fix this problem, you just want to go into your settings, click on display, and then you're going to see an option that says full screen apps. Now, Samsung has an option where you have to have it show the camera cutout in order for it to go full screen. Now, you can see there's an option right here. I'm just going to check mark it. I'm going to reload the game here into the Dead 2, and you can see at the top, it is now completely in full screen. Like I said, it's a frustrating issue to have because when you're, playing a game or running some kind of app, you want it to go the full length of the screen, and that's how you fix the problem. Anyways, since I just loaded this game up, I'm going to play it for like a minute, and yeah, if you guys have any questions about getting this feature, figured out, feel free to message me below, but let's do it.